Am I the a-hole for telling my dad I don't care about his new family? I've talked to my dad and his fiancée. I told her everything about everything. Their wedding was off for 11 days but now it's back on. She didn't really say much to me about it and she mostly just brushed past it. They want to come out here, where I live, and have dinner with me and my mom. My sister has also agreed to come to the dinner but now he's talking about coming to stay with him for a little while. I don't want to do that. I'm a little nervous about the whole thing now and I just don't want to start another dance with my father that ends badly for me. I had dinner with my father and his new fiancée, as well as her children on the 18th of May. I feel like I got a lot of childhood feelings off of myself. I explained to my father, his fiancée, and her family why I felt the way that I felt as well as my reasoning for not wanting to come. I told him that I had no intention of being in his life over the necessary amount. My dad did ask me quite a couple times if I was going to be up to go to the wedding. I did agree to go, but I made it clear that I don't want to be involved as an official member in his life, more so someone he might see around the holidays, birthdays, or special events, but other than that I have no intentions of seeing or interacting with him. He seemed fine with that, and it was a perfect solution for me. I've been told by many of you, as well as people in my